Okay, guys, today I want to talk about environmental conditions. So here you'll see, so I grew two blocks of cakes of Psilocybe natalensis, and they're both from the exact same genetics. They're both from all the conditions are the same, except one bag, one block here, you'll see was grown in a bag. So they had less air, less oxygen. They ended up growing the, long, stringy spaghetti noodles, natalensis. So that's one version. And then here, we've got, these were allowed to colonize in a bag, but then once it was fully colonized, I put into a Martha tent. And you'll see that the caps are way bigger, they're flat, they're wider, and the stipe is significantly more dense and thick. So here we have, side by side, exact same genetics, exact same species, everything's identical. Only thing that happened was there's a difference in environmental conditions. As you see, the center didn't really fruit very much on this one, and almost everything grew up out of the side pins, which is fine, because the fruits ended up a lot bigger, significantly more large than the ones grown in the bag. So all in all, I'm kind of curious to see how this turns out, but I have a suspicion that weight-wise, I think these and these are going to be pretty much the same. So, pound for pound, I don't know that it really matters much. It's just, you're just going to get an aesthetic appeal. And depends on what you want. Do you want a whole bunch of those? Or do you want less of them, but these? And I actually am kind of partial to how these look. And they were grown in the Martha tent. So, just kind of a curious little experiment that I did, and I thought I'd share.